So I request Pooja Kashi to present her selected topic, and now Pooja Kashi start.
Holka start.
Yes.
Good morning to all of you, friends and respected teachers. Myself Kashit Pooja, studied in Sangola College, Sangola, Department of Zoology. Today I am presenting seminar on this topic. Today I am presenting seminar on this topic of comparative anatomy of vertebrate brain. We see in this topic the part is brain of reptile. So we see the So we can see firstly embryonic development of brain. In embryonic development of brain is divided into three conditions. First condition is prosencephalon, second is mesencephalon, third one is rhombencephalon. In prosencephalon, from prosencephalon, four brain are developed. The four brain again divided into sub three parts. First is olfactory. Sir,
Yes. Continue.
first is olfactory lobe, second is cerebral hemisphere, third one is diencephalon. Second is mesencephalon. From mesencephalon, midbrain is developed. Midbrain consists only one part, that is optic lobe. Third one is rhombencephalon. From rhombencephalon, hindbrain is developed. Hindbrain again divided into two parts. First is cerebellum, third and second is medulla oblongata. So we can see the first main topic of this chapter, that is brain of reptile. In case of reptiles, the brain is situated in bony capsule called as skull. Brain surrounded by protective covering called as meninges. The hollow cavity enclosed by different parts of brain called as ventricle. The brain of reptile consists of following parts. First is forebrain, second is midbrain, and third one is hindbrain. So we can see first diagram of the reptiles. In this diagram, olfactory lobe, olfactory peduncle, and cerebral hemisphere and diencephalon. This is the part of the forebrain. And optic lobe, this is part of midbrain. Medulla oblongata and spinal cord, this is the part of hindbrain. The two cerebrals are separated by each other by median longitudinal groove. In reptiles, the parietal organ and pineal body are consist. Second, we can see firstly forebrain. In forebrain is developed from prosencephalon. It consists of following parts. First is olfactory lobe, second is cerebral hemisphere, olfactory lobe, second is cerebral hemisphere or cerebrum, and third is diencephalon. We can see firstly olfactory lobe. In reptiles, olfactory lobe are poorly developed, and so this it is poorly developed in reptiles, indicates poor sense of smell. The, the ventricle is known as rhinoceros. The function of olfactory lobe is sense of smell. Second one is cerebral hemisphere. There are presence of two cerebral hemispheres separated from each other by a median longitudinal groove or fissure. The cavity of cerebral hemisphere is called as paracel or lateral ventricle. Lateral ventricle. In reptiles, there are presence of two cerebral hemispheres separated from each other by median longitudinal groove into right and left hemisphere. The surface of cerebral hemisphere is smooth. The cavity enclosed by the cerebral hemisphere is also known as paracel or lateral ventricle or second ventricle. Uh, functions Functions of cerebral hemisphere. It controls voluntary actions, memory, and emotions. Third part is diencephalon. Diencephalon shows two projections include parietal organ and pineal body. Parietal organ lies in front of pineal body, also called as rudimentary eye or lateral eye, third eye. The ventricle of diencephalon is also called as diastole or third ventricle. The function of diencephalon is metabolism of carbohydrates and fats and spontaneous spontaneous movement. The next
Continue. Continue.
the next part, that is midbrain. Midbrain. It is developed from mesencephalon. Mesencephalon consists of only one part, that is optic lobe. In case of reptiles, optic lobes are poorly developed. The ventricle is called as optosis. The function of midbrain is sense of sight or vision. The last point is hindbrain. Hindbrain, it is developed from rhombencephalon. It consists of two parts. First is cerebellum and second is medulla oblongata. So we can see first part is cerebellum. Cerebellum, it is developed from metencephalon. It consists of in case of reptile, cerebellum is poorly developed. The cavity enclosed by the cerebellum is also called as metacell. The function of cerebellum is balance of body or equilibrium. Second is medulla oblongata. It is almost a triangular part developed from myelencephalon. Its roof is non-nervous and highly vascular, forming posterior chloride fusses filled with ventricles of the brain. It is posteriorly leads into the spinal cord. The hollow cavity enclosed by the medulla oblongata is called as myelocele. The functions of medulla oblongata, it controls involuntary actions such as heartbeat and peristalsis. So forebrain, forebrain is developed from prosencephalon. म्हणजे काय, forebrain during embryonic condition, forebrain is developed from prosencephalon. And forebrain consists of two parts, three parts: olfactory lobe, cerebral hemisphere or cerebrum or diencephalon. फोरब्रेनचे परत तीन पार्ट पडतात. फर्स्ट इज olfactory lobe, second is cerebral hemisphere or cerebrum, and third one is diencephalon. तर olfactory lobe, in reptiles, olfactory lobe is poorly developed, and the cavity enclosed by different parts of olfactory lobe is called as rhinoceros, and function is sense of smell. Olfactory lobes are रेप्टाइल्स मध्ये ऑल्फॅक्टरी ह्या पुअर डेव्हलप्ड झाल्या असल्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये सेन्स ऑफ स्मेल पण हा पुअरली डेव्हलप्ड असतो. नंतरचा पार्ट आहे सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फियर. इन केस ऑफ रेप्टाइल्स देअर आर टू प्रेझेन्स ऑफ सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फियर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम इच अदर बाय मीडियन लॉन्जिट्युडिनल ग्रुप. म्हणजे इन केस ऑफ रेप्टाइल्स दोन सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फियर प्रेझेंट असतात आणि ते मीडियन लॉन्जिट्युडिनल ग्रुपच्या आधारे सेपरेट झालेले असतात. And the cavity enclosed by the cerebral hemisphere is called as paracel or lateral ventricle. And the function of cerebral hemisphere is controls the involuntary actions, emotions. And third is diencephalon. Diencephalon presence of two projections includes parietal organ and pineal body. Reptile मध्ये parietal organ and pineal body present असतं आणि parietal organ lies in front of pineal body, also called as rudimentary eye or parietal eye. And ventricle of diencephalon is called as diacetyl eye. The function of carbohydrates and fats is called the function of diencephalon is metabolism of carbohydrates and fats and spontaneous movement. Second part is midbrain. Midbrain during embryonic condition, midbrain is developed from mesencephalon and it consists of optic lobes. And optic lobes are poorly developed in reptiles, so sense of sight or vision is poorly. Second is hindbrain. Hindbrain is, during embryonic condition, the hindbrain is developed from rhombencephalon. It consists of following parts: cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum, it is developed from metencephalon. It is poorly developed, and hollow cavity consists is called as metacyst. In case of reptiles, cerebellum is poorly developed, so balance of body or equilibrium is also poorly. Second is medulla oblongata.